Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now in today's video, we are going to talk about green tea. Now do you know green tea is considered as a superfood? A lot of hype surrounds this rich antioxidant ingredient, including green tea in your daily regimen of liquids has its own benefits and is a smart idea because it contains tons of benefits including the fat burning properties and the ability to improve your brain function. So in today's video we'll be talking about Tulsi green tea by Organic India. Now this is an assorted pack of Tulsi green tea by Organic India. I got it from Fab India and this packaging is specially for Fab India. Now this contains 5 variants of green tea, that is Tulsi green tea, lemon ginger tea, jasmine green tea, pomegranate green tea and Earl Grey green tea. Now why I like this green tea is because it contains Tulsi. Now Tulsi has a lot of benefits when it comes to your health. It supports the immune system, it fights against cold and cough and any illness. It is a powerful adaptogen, it uplifts your mood, it reduces stress, builds stamina. It also improves your digestion and metabolism and it is rich in antioxidants. Please continue to watch the entire video because I'm going to speak about all the 5 variants of this Tulsi green tea and what are the benefits of it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Organic India is committed to responsible packaging. Tulsi green tea assorted pack comes in a green carton which is made from 100% recycled paper board. On the top of it you will see that it is written Tulsi green tea assorted pack which contains caffeine and it is by Organic India. Now this is specially packaged for Fab India. They contain 5 variants of certified organic Tulsi green tea, that is classic, lemon ginger, jasmine, pomegranate and Earl Grey. They have 25 numbers of infusion bag which is staple free. Now Organic India promotes healthy conscious living. They are 100% organic and FSSAI certified. You get 25 numbers of staple free infusion tea bags and the shelf life of the product is 24 months and the price of the product is 184 rupees. Now on the other side, it is clearly mentioned the serving size, the all organic ingredient list and the net quantity of each infusion bag of Tulsi green tea. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is considered the queen of herbs in India. Now Tulsi green tea contains natural herbs which is good for health and both Tulsi and green tea promote healthy metabolism which is vital to weight management and offer an array of remarkable health benefits including an abundance of antioxidants which eliminate damaging free radicals in the body. So, get benefited with every sip of Tulsi green tea as it supports the immune system, it is abundant in antioxidants, it helps fight illness, cough and cold, it is a powerful adaptogen, it uplifts your mood, reduces stress, builds stamina and improves digestion and metabolism. When you open the packaging, you will see 25 numbers of infusion tea bags, 5 of each variant. And the first variant is Tulsi green tea classic. The second is Tulsi green tea lemon ginger. The third is the Tulsi green tea pomegranate. The fourth is the Tulsi green tea jasmine. And the fifth is Tulsi green tea Earl Grey. With every sip that you take, it will give you a stress relieving and relaxing experience. Take 1 infusion bag. For me, I have taken Organic India certified organic Tulsi green tea jasmine. Now let me talk about their infusion bags. Organic India infusion bags are made from unbleached biodegradable fiber and they are also staple free tea bags. And now put it in a cup. Then pour boiled water in the cup. Keep the infusion bag soaked in the cup for about 3 to 5 minutes and add natural sweetener if you desire. I don't prefer any kind of sweetener. Now, after some time, look at the color and the aroma. This amazing combination, you guys, refreshes and tastes wonderful. So drink up and enjoy your healthy cup of green tea. So guys, I believed you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.